Life of the Buddha, Part 6. The 5 monks were staying at Isipatana, Benaras, Varanasi. They were Kondanya, Badhya, Vappa, Mahanama, and Assaji. Out of compassion, the Buddha went to see them. On the way, he met one Upaka, a wandering ascetic. He asked who the Buddha's teacher was. The Buddha replied that he had no teacher. Alara Kalama and Uddaka Putta were teachers before enlightenment. For Buddhahood, he had no teachers. Seeing the Buddha from afar, the 5 monks thought not to give him due respect, as he had given up striving. But they could not refrain from giving him due respect. They addressed him also Gautam. The Buddha advised them not to call him thus, as he was a Buddha. They did not believe him, though the Buddha said so, for the second and the third time. The Buddha asked them, "Do you know, O bhikkhus, that I ever spoke to you thus before?" The Buddha was able to convince them. They sat patiently to hear Dhamma. The name of the Buddha's first sermon was Dhammacakra Sutta. It means the establishment of wisdom or the wheel of truth. The Buddha's first sermon was preached on the Asala, July full moon day, at the deer park in Isipatana, near Benaras. Who were present to hear the first sermon? Amongst human beings, the 5 monks, there were many devas and brahmanas too. The Buddha started the sermon by advising the monks to give up 2 extremes. They were the enjoyment of sensual pleasures and torment of the body, self-indulgence and self-mortification. Should all give up pleasures? No. This advice was given to those who had given up the world. The Buddha mentioned about the tormenting of the body because people believed in useless penances to gain purity. Even the 5 monks believed in these penances. They had a great faith in them. Did the Buddha also go to these extremes? Yes. As a prince, he enjoyed sensual pleasures. As an ascetic, he practiced many penances. The Buddha advised the monks to give up the 2 extremes. He discovered the middle path. The Pali word for middle path is Majjhima Patipada. The middle path is the Noble Eightfold Path. The middle path leads to Nibbana or Nirvana.